What is that? You're supposed to say welcome to another video.
Welcome to another video. It's exhaust.
This boy finally got exhaust. He gonna pop it on. He got it from Ching Chong Ching I Ching.
Yeah, man, we don't do ISR.
Yeah, we got Ching Chong Ching I Ching. Yeah. He's lying because he got ISR right here.
The back half, not the mid half. We got a size.
What's in there? What's in there?
It says turbo back. It's not turbo.
It comes with bolts though, so that's good. Ooh.
It's not. Bro, it's supposed to be 5-inch, bro.
You got test pipe. No. You got test pipes too, so.
Ain't it supposed to be 5-inch?
It has bolts, so I don't know what you're talking about. You're stealing my bolts earlier.
I just want extra bolts. Am I wrong?
So yeah, his last video, I see he had straight open headers. It's gonna be open headers no more. Gonna have full exhaust on there this time, right? Full exhaust?
What?
Full exhaust?
Yeah, till the turbos come.
Till the turbos. We doing 8 turbo. Look, we got this guy. Oh yeah, this guy got his name. Hey, Plies. I'm not joking. We gonna name Plies. Right?
So he from Florida.
He from Florida, so his name's gonna be Plies.
He got gold in it.
We gotta get some meat on this man, man. He's skinny.
Yeah, feed that nigga.
Oh yeah, Nick's back in the mix all of a sudden. Where you been, Nick?
I've been home, you know, with Corona.
Nah, he was making excuses saying he was sick.
And he lied about his test.
He lied.
Corona.
He lied. Hurry up.
This exhaust is hard to rip, bro.
Hurry up. So this is the finished product of his exhaust. It's pretty sweet. I actually like it. Instead of duals, too bad. My car got duals. Oh well. We'll see how this sounds with a turbo when we get a turbo on it. I don't know what's going on here, but it's not a Z, it's not a G. It's, hold on. It's George's comp car. And I wasn't actually gonna post tonight, but I figured I shouldn't leave you guys hanging. So I'll just show y'all exactly what we're doing. So we're done with the 350 for now. It's outside there somewhere. And we're getting this ready to go get a cage.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get boxes and food.
Next going to Wendy's. And we're gonna drop subframe out, drop the tank out. We don't know who the hell that is, but he creeping over here. Come on, Bryce, say what's up to the channel. I don't know. Who wears a jacket with nothing written on it? Oh, it says Harley Davidson.
Yeah, you know.
Okay.
Hey, wait, we're on camera?
We on camera. Get him. Get him.
You know what? Time to fucking root. Give me on camera. Get on camera. At least Bryce was the bigger person that came over here to say what's up. Yeah, I said it. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
But you're too scary to do it.
His shop's out of the way and I gotta drive all the way across town.
You could have went over there and see your mom and then go see Bryce. Yeah. Say something. Do you want to talk shit? Now I'm on camera talking shit.
Hey, I'm gonna let y'all know why he acting like this. One, you see what he's wearing. It's not Gucci, so he's a dad now. He's actually a dad now. And he's dressing like a dad. Okay, he still got on Gucci flip-flops. But, bruh, what brand that hoodie is, bruh? Go ahead and tell him, bruh.
It's Walmart.
Exactly. It's a dad hoodie. So don't come at me. I was gladly telling them what we was doing right now. I wasn't even talking shit about you. But don't worry, later in this video, we're gonna get him on his hairline again. So, anyways, we're gonna drop the subframe real quick. Hey, you gotta take the shocks off. Okay. Which they're doing right now. We drop the subframe out. We're gonna take the gas tank out. A customer's actually gonna buy it. And then the car's gonna go get caged. That's the plan. The camera's gonna die. You got anything to justify, say, bro?
Bro, why you had to put on my hair, bro? You fucked up. Get off me.
Oh, well, that was the fastest subframe uninstall ever. Just turn. Just don't hit anything that costs more than your 240. Close the door, we got you, but you don't need to see. Listen to us.
Cut it hard, cut it hard.
Cut it hard, cut it hard. Yeah. I don't know where he learned to drive from. Y'all know who that is in there. Look at him.
Man, fuck that shit, bro. He said that.
Hey, whoa. Easy, Dad.
Bro, watch yourself.
That's $600 for the bacK though.
600.
Yeah, man.
We got American horses too.
Haitian alone is 4.
Oh, this boy want to use the anchor kit all of a sudden, huh? You really want to try FDF out right now? Right now, you want to try FDF out? Straight.
Nah, come back.
Go to the left. No. Come on, you trying to... All right. I'll put the camera down so I can help those guys.
All right, you go,
I'll help them guys. Hey, George, I ain't going to say I'm snitching, but somebody taking your diff and they putting it in your car, okay? I'm not really snitching. I'm just informing my friend about what my other friend's doing, you know? So, Haitian put his car in his lift, and he found out George had a 350Z welded. He done tapped his bushings in there, and now he's about to put it in his car. So, just putting that out there. So, is there something you want to tell George?
I fuck with you, bro.
Yeah.
Hello?
Alright, so he went and done beat the hell out of this thing, and it's already falling apart, so I ain't want to talk shit, but I didn't put it on. He put it on. So, don't blame me, but this thing look like titanium now. ISR, shout out, bro. Y'all, shit, I got them titaniums. Woo! Once again, is this something you want to tell George?
Bro, what do you, what seems to be the issue?
Where'd you get the diff from?
Oh, hey. Thanks, nigga.
I ain't start go crazy yet, you know. I ain't talking to myself.
I hope not.
Hold up, bro.
That boy call your 350 a POS, bro. Like this boy ain't spit out 3 Jay-Z rods at the track, bro. Get him, bro.
Well, it was actually
4 Jay-Z rods at the track, and he calling the VQ a trash, bro. The VQ's not trash. Wow. Bro, get him. Wipe the sweat, bro. Get him. Get him. You gonna let him live. He ain't living.
Bro.
Just because he knew don't mean he lived.
Fuck it, bro. When he gets home, he has to eat dinner that Campbell's girl made with her feet.
That's fucked up.
If it's fucked up, why you laughing? Why you laughing, bro? Why you laughing? Oh, shit. I need to learn how to use the beep, bro. I swear. So this is how he installed it. By the way, since y'all didn't hear it in the last clip because I wasn't recording, I got the diff out. Yeah, you beat that thing, boy.
You good now?
It should be good. ISR at it again. You getting them right.
All right, that should be good.
Hey, all I want to know is, we doing donuts after you put this in?
Yeah, we can.
Or am I pulling out Steve's sedan?
We need tires, bro.
You don't need tires, bro. Them tires are good. It's a Z. It doesn't have power. Come on, pop it in so we go do donuts. Oh, wow. Okay, Dad, you strong as fuck. You go to the gym? Or is that third patty from Five Guys, yo?
Oh, shit, hold up. Yeah, we fucked up.
Yeah.
Nah. It is, dog.
You promised my YouTube people donuts and drifting in the cul-de-sac. You're not going home, bro.
They don't even like me.
Yet well, they don't like you. They like your hairline.
Thumbs up if you fuck with me.
Come on. This video is definitely rated R because he's used the F word about 30 times today.
Nick is actually working on something good today.
Nick is actually working on something.
Damn, Nick, okay. Nick said he gonna be GTR master by the time he's done here.
Hey, the words fit exactly what you're doing. That's crazy.
I'll tell you what you didn't work on.
What you didn't work on?
You know damn well, I was about to put that stepdaddy out there.
Oh! He's doing it! He's doing it!
You're a stepdaddy too.
Oh!
You know what? I admit that I'm a stepdaddy. It's okay. But you're not admitting that you're a stepdaddy.
I'm not.
Huh?
That's Never been one. Never been one.
Come on, bro.
Daddy, though. Chill out.
Hey, so tighten the e-brake. Let's go. Y'all see this? He won 3-piece wheels, but look at his windshield. It's like 6-piece. 6-piece windshield.
Damn, bro.
So he got his welded disc. He got a point to prove now because the sedan was gapping his ass. So I'm gonna go get the sedan. So we 4 deep. We gonna run over that slow ass Z. Just because you got a welded diff, don't make your shit fast, bro. G's are better than Z.
We ready to kick some ass.
G's are better. Let go. Hey, Z.
Yes, motherfucker.
Hey, watch the camera so you can see what we going.
You can't handle it. It's too much.
I'm on your ass now. I put the O2 sensor in. This be riding.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
This nigga crazy, dog. I swear. This shit slow.
I'm better than you.
I want to see it.
It ain't mine, it's Steve's.
watch where it's going. This motherfucker munching. This motherfucker munching the whole Washburn. God dog. This motherfucker. This motherfucker. Oh, wicked shit, that boy. Shit. This motherfucker munching the whole Washburn, dog. Damn.
Where you going? Hey, so that went 0 to 100 really fast. How's George welded diff working?
Amazing. Actually, I might actually pay George for it now. Because it works. Because it works. Because I had to make sure it worked. Because you know it's George. He probably broke it before he parked it. Wasn't going to say nothing.
Did you check the fluid?
I was supposed to check the fluid.
I mean,
The front seal was leaking, but who cares?
alright, well, that's
wasn't
gonna
my
be it for this video. BKR Racing in the building. You know, you spent a couple hours with us today, drunk some beer, did some recklessness. You know,
Hang it tight.
#1 body guy in Florida, and then the plumber. Oh, my bad. The electrician. Tell him, bro. Tell him what they gotta do.
What they got to do, like what?
Like, share, subscribe.
Oh, like, share, prescribe.
That boy says prescribe. Come on, try that again.
What is that? Like, share, subscribe, you know. What y'all said? Real thing this.
What I Gap say.
What that gap? Y'all ladies already know what that gap say. Ooh!